Dear students, how are you? I am Moushumi Dasgupta, Assistant Professor, Chemistry Department, Milestone College. Today I discuss with you in organic chemistry. From organic chemistry I discuss with you about benzene. What is benzene? Its structural formula is this. This is known as benzene. It is an aromatic compound. Now I know you have a question. Why this is aromatic compound? Because according to Hakel rule, you know the compound which has delocalized pi electronic system and the compound in which 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons are present known as benzene. So in benzene, delocalized pi electronic system are present and here 4n plus 2. What's the value of 4n plus 2? To calculate this, I show you another structural formula of benzene. This is the another structural formula of benzene. You have seen here 3 double bonds are present. I repeat again, 3 double bonds are present. You know pi electrons form double bond. As here 3 double bonds are present, so here the value of 4n plus 2 equal to 6. Now come to why this is 6. Because if you want to know this, then you must know the structural formula of benzene in this way. When we draw the structural formula of benzene in this way, then you have seen that in every carbon there is a double bond. As every carbon there is a double bond, so each carbon of benzene is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized means you know carbon has 6 electrons. So it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. But in excited state, it will be 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. To form sp2 hybridization, 1s and 2p orbital are mixed with each other. That time, 1 electron remain in pz orbital, this electron form pi bond. So each carbon is sp2 hybridized. That means each carbon has 1 electron in pz orbital. That's why here 4n plus 2 equal to 6 because each carbon has 1 electron, as here 6 carbons, so it is 6. Now what's the value? It is 4n equal to 6 minus 2. So 4n equals to 4, that means n equals to 1. According to Hakel rule, in aromatic compound there is a delocalized pi electronic system and the number of pi electron will be 4n plus 2 where n equal to 0, 1, 2 whole number. Here as the value of n equals to 1, so it is whole number. That's why it is a aromatic compound. I discuss with you about the preparation of benzene. In laboratory, benzene is prepared from sodium benzoate. Actually, it is the salt of benzoic acid. When sodium benzoate react with the mixture of soda lime, you know the mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is known as soda lime. Then it is converted to benzene. To take this reaction in laboratory, one apparatus that is known as Bock apparatus is used, and by taking this sodium benzoate and soda lime in 1:3 ratio in laboratory, benzene is prepared. Now come to the second preparation. So from phenol, how can we prepare benzene? Here phenol when distilled in presence of zinc, then it is converted to benzene. Third one is from ethyl. When ethyl gas is passed in iron pipe at 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, then it is converted to benzene. There is a question that you have seen that here 3 molecules of ethyl are used. You know the reaction in which more than one molecule join with each other and form a large compound, that is known as polymerization reaction. And the product is known as polymer and the reactant is known as monomer. Here you have seen that 3 molecules of ethyl joined with each other and form benzene. That means here more than one ethyl molecules take part in this reaction. That's why Benzene is called the polymer of ethine also. Come to from Greek natriagent. In alcohol part, you have come to know that alkyl magnesium halide is known as Greek natriagent. So, if we take phenyl magnesium bromide as Greek natriagent and it's hydrolyzed in presence of heat, then it is converted to benzene. Now, I discuss with you about the physical and chemical properties of benzene. Benzene is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 80 degrees Celsius, melting point is 5.4 degrees Celsius. It is lighter than water. But the vapor of benzene is very poisonous. If we inhale the vapor of benzene, then it will destroy our red blood cell and white blood cell of body. So, we must be careful about this benzene. Now come to the chemical properties of benzene. A question is arise, how can you prove that 3 double bonds are present in benzene? For this question, you may use these 3 reactions. First of all is ozonolysis. When benzene reacts with ozone, then it forms benzene triozonate, which is hydrolyzed in presence of zinc and form glyoxal. In this case, you have seen that how many molecules of ozone are used. You must say, Miss, 3 molecules? Right, here 3 molecules of benzene are used. Because in benzene, if we draw another structural formula, then it will be like this. So you have seen 3 double bonds are present and this 3 double bond is occupied by 3 ozone molecule. Now come to the addition of hydrogen. When benzene reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel, then it converts to cyclohexane. Here how many molecules of hydrogen are used? 3 molecules. Because 1 molecule of hydrogen is react with 1 double bond, as here 3 double bonds are present. So it reacts with 3 hydrogen molecule. Come to the chlorine addition. When benzene reacts with chlorine, then it forms gamoxane. Here how many molecules of chlorine are used? They are also 3. So you have seen that in these 3 reaction, 1 molecule of benzene reacts with 3 molecules of ozone, 3 molecules of hydrogen and 3 molecules of chlorine. That means in benzene there are 3 double bonds present. You must remind this is as comprehensive or as application based question, that how can you prove that benzene contain 3 double bonds. Now I go to another part. For your clear conception, I discuss with you about the ozonolysis reaction again, and your clear conception about 3 double bonds of benzene, I will discuss with you the ozonolysis of benzene again. Just look at here. The structural formula of benzene is like that. So, when it reacts with 3 molecules of ozone, then this ozone molecule joined in this double bond, because you know double bonded compound take part in addition reaction. So what happened there? Just look at here, double bond are present, these and there. Now, so it is CH, this double bond. This double bond is occupied by 1 ozone molecule. Right? Now here single bond. So we put here single bond. Now here double bond. So we put another ozone molecule here. Right? Now here single bond. So we give single bond here. And then double bond. And here also single bond. So we put single bond here. Then double bond. This way 3 ozone molecules joined with benzene. Then when it hydrolyzed, presence of zinc. Just look at here. It is broken in this way. This way it is broken. So look at this part. What are present? CHO, CHO. That means CHO and CHO. So this part is CHO and CHO. Here again means this is CHO. Right. This is also CHO and CHO. Look at here. There is also CHO. That means how many part of CHO? Burnt CHO you have find. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. That's why it is 3. Then it will be zinc oxide and water. So it is glyoxal. This way we can prove that benzene contains 3 double bond. Now I discuss with you about the substitution reaction of benzene. Now I discuss with you substitution reaction of benzene. First one is halogenation. When benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of iron, then it produces chlorobenzene and hydrochloric acid. Next one is nitration. You know, in nitration, nitric acid and sulfuric acid are precipitated. Here sulfuric acid acts as catalyst, and when benzene reacts with nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 60 degrees Celsius temperature, then it converts to nitrobenzene. Come to Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then it converts to toluene. Come to Friedel-Crafts acylation. When benzene reacts with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then it produces acyl benzene. Now, this substitution reaction mechanism are discussed with you in your previous class, but for reminding, I again discuss one mechanism of this reaction. So, look at here, I discuss with you about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The reaction is, the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is like that. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is like that. When benzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then it produces toluene and hydrochloric acid. What happened in this type of substitution reaction? This type of substitution reaction takes place in 3 steps. Step 1. When in step 1, methyl chloride reacts with aluminum chloride and produces carbocation and AlCl4 minus. Here actually aluminum chloride acts as Lewis acid. Then in second step, this carbocation attacks the pi electron of benzene. So this carbocation attacks the pi electron of benzene. You know, another structural formula of benzene is like that, and in each point of benzene there is a hydrogen. So benzene form unstable ion by joining with that. And in third step, this unstable ion reacts with AlCl4 minus and form toluene. This is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Actually, this type of mechanism takes place in every substitution reaction of benzene. Okay? Usually, benzene is a very stable compound. It does not oxidize by anyone. But in presence of strong oxidizing agent KMnO4 or chromic acid, benzene is oxidized and converted to carbon dioxide and water. So, This is the concept of benzene. Today I discuss with you about the preparation, about the physical properties, chemical properties of benzene. In chemical properties, you have seen benzene gives addition reaction, substitution reaction. You know, double bonded compound like alkene does not give substitution reaction, but benzene is a special type of compound which gives addition reaction, substitution reaction also. This is called aromaticity, some special characteristics which are bear by the aromatic compound. This is all about for today. Stay safe, remain safe.